Hey Nash, what should we make?
You need to bring snacks to your church group tonight. Let's make something easy and delicious like cheesy chicken bacon ranch crescent rolls.
All right, let's make cheesy chicken bacon ranch crescent rolls. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where sometimes we know that you need to make some stuff to bring to a party, or serve as an appetizer at your own party, or just make to eat by yourself and not tell anyone. So today we're gonna make cheesy chicken bacon ranch crescent rolls. They're gonna be delicious, they're gonna be easy, it's gonna come together real quick, and I don't wanna keep you from that any longer than necessary. So without further ado, let's go. You wanna take out a pound or two of bacon, depending on how many of these you're gonna make, just slap your meat right down on there.
That's what she said.
This actually is way easier if you throw it in the freezer for 10 or 15 minutes before you do this, but we just wanna chop this up into strips. Then into a cold pan, we wanna throw all of our bacon. You wanna start your pan cold so the fat renders better and you get crispier bacon. Turn the heat up to medium. You kinda get these guys spread out a little bit. Then just let them cook and they'll all separate as they cook. So we just let them go. Then we get out a large bowl and we add about 4 cups of shredded chicken. And you could use rotisserie chicken. Whoops, that's my oven. So preheat your oven to 400. You could use rotisserie chicken, you could cook and shred your own chicken, or honestly, if you're making this for a bunch of people, just buy canned chicken. That's what this is. I'm just gonna go in here with a fork and get it all broken up. I'm gonna throw in some green onions, and 8 ounces or 1 brick of softened cream cheese, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ranch dressing, a little extra ranch powder, a little bit of pixie dust, a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, throw black powder in your thing. That's a good idea. And a little bit of smoked paprika. And let's get this all incorporated before we add the last few ingredients. We want about a cup of cheddar cheese. Get that all mixed in. And once our bacon's cooked, we go ahead and add that in there. Get everything combined. Okay, we set that aside. Then we get out a tube of crescent roll dough. Go ahead and peel that. Give it a whack. Just whack off your dough. And then we got, to find the seam, we unroll this guy, and you can see we have the rectangles that are also triangles. So we want to use the triangles, and then I like to kind of maneuver it a little bit so the point sits in the center of the base instead of off to the right, like a little triangle. An isosceles triangle is what we're looking for. Then take a good amount of your filling here, then we just roll this guy up, and then we take the corners and kind of tuck them in, and there we go. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. Then we give these guys each a little brush with some egg wash. Just help them get crispy, golden brown, delicious. And then we hit these guys with some toasted sesame seeds and a little bit of poppy seeds. And then these guys go into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And here's our guys right out of the oven. Looking good, looking good. And there we have our cheesy chicken bacon ranch crescent rolls. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. Look, we've made a ton of stuffed crescent roll variations, recipes, whatever you want to call it. They're all really good. This one is phenomenal. I made it recently for a group that I had to bring food to, and they could not say enough how much they loved it. Look, it's really, really good. I mean, chicken bacon ranch is classic. It's cheesy, it's savory, it's got a ton of flavor, and it's just really delicious. So if you have to make appetizers, or you have to bring something to a party, or you gotta put a bunch of stuff out for people that are coming to your house, whatever, this is really, really good. So go make it out of 10. And that's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I was doing some research and I'm pretty confident that the difference between a conspiracy theory and reality is about 6 months.
Well, check it out. We made these chicken bacon ranch crescent rolls that you wanted. And of course we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's delicious. It's crispy, flaky, creamy, cheesy, bacony. I'll gladly take them off your hands and eat them all.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
To know is to know that you know nothing. That is the meaning of true knowledge.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, this is a great appetizer. Great thing to make and serve at any party, event, holiday, whatever. Go do it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, hype, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other cool videos somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.